All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you here is, this is Zillow. So all you would do is just go to a Zillow site, and you may have to watch this video a couple of times because I'm going to show you what the end result is, and then I'm going to show you the mechanics on how to do it. So you would go to Zillow, and this particular home is $480,000 in Tucker, Georgia. And you would simply just put this X on the screen and right at the top, I have 3 to 7 buyers, because you do. So let's assume you're brand new in real estate and you have no buyers. You just got out of school this morning. This is what you know. Your goal is to do what? Your goal is to be able to show this home at an epic open house system, which is another video that I'm going to do for you guys at another time. Epic open house video on how to do an epic open house. And you'll have more than 3 to 7 buyers show up for this property, even if you don't have any at the time you're watching this. Trust me, you just have to trust me on this. You're going to write down your home is worth more than this. I know you guys hate my handwriting because some of you guys got way better handwriting to me. And some of you guys are going to want to type this and make it look all nice and neat. And I'm going to promise you, if you change anything on here, it will not work. It won't work because I've tried it. And then you're going to say, call or text me. That's my number, right? And your name. And you're going to say, can I bring them by Saturday or Sunday? Okay. Because the number one thing most people are doing when they call for sale by owners is calling trying to get listings. We're calling just trying to do an open house for them. And we're flat out going to tell them we don't want the listing, right? We don't want the listing. Okay. We have a whole nother scripting system on how to do that.